Hello everyone, I am S.K. Pavitra. I am working in KSR College of Arts and Science for Women. Today we are discussing about the subject name is women's writing. This is the second part video. This video is only for the women's writing oriented. Let's see the topic. A Room of One's Own is written by Virginia Woolf. She was born in 25 January 1882. She is the one of the most English writer and she is mentioned the stream of consciousness at the same time 20th century modernist writer. And A Room of One's Own, it was published in 1929, is based on two papers. She is giving the two lecture for the basic concept is woman and fiction. Actually, overall ideologies refer to the woman writers the need money. Yes, if you go to any places, for that time money is very necessary. If you want to any purchase, for that time also money is necessary. So as a female writer, the money also very important. At the same time, own room is very important. If you think anything, if you write anything, for that time a peaceful environment is very important. That's why she is clearly mentioned as a female writer, they are needed money and a room. A peaceful room is important. This is only for the Virginia Woolf point of view. And she is described about woman and fiction. Actually, how is the connection? You know very well the woman fiction. Fiction is imaginary oriented, thinking oriented. As a female also, this is the correct way, this is the correct way. She is also thinking so many. So, Virginia Woolf point of view, woman and fiction. And the Mary is the central character of this story. She is sitting in banks. At the same time, she want to go one library. That name is Oxbridge. So the Oxbridge name is imaginary name. That is reflection to the Oxford and Cambridge. You know very well Oxford University and Cambridge University. So these two university, everyone know very well the Oxford and Cambridge. She is giving the fictional imaginary of Oxbridge. That time she want to go that library. She is excited. She is feel very happy. She is want to think about woman and fiction. For that time she know very well for the she want to clear about. She want to search so many books. That time she want to go the library. She visit the library. For that time one gentleman said strictly women are not allowed in the library. And he also mentioned if you have any letters or recommendation, for that time I will allow, otherwise have no possibilities. That time Virginia feel very uncomfortable. Why they are giving, why they are not allowed for the library. I want to learn, so they are strictly have no possibilities. So interest is very important. So many places the women feel so many struggles. Actually financially independent is very important. At the same time they are want to interest go any other places. That time also freedom is important. And next works is Top Girls. It was performed in 1982. It's critically exploring the women's roles and class oriented. The play jump between the different periods and setting oriented. And a writer is strongly mentioned to the female characters and dinner party oriented and historical oriented. As a female person meet some struggle in our day-to-day life. So as a writer clearly mentioned the showcase of the different unique style. Next work, Sandra is clearly mentioned the House of Mango Street. It is one of the classic comic age novel. It was published in 1984. Its story is the young lady oriented, the identity, the cultural heritage and family problems and family thinking oriented and community problem. And clearly Sandra mentioned to the between the reality and myth oriented. How as a female meets some struggle in reality and myth oriented. Next, Margaret is clearly mentioned the surfacing is only for the identity and nature and human relationship oriented. As environment oriented, the woman's experience is convey the real identity. I think so many writers they are convey our own point of view. Nowadays, in this society, how did you treat as a woman writing, woman's work? So many struggle they are meeting in this society. So it's very important women's writing work. I think you clearly understand the work. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.